Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is just a really simple, like, peachy, smoky eye. It's just a gross rainy day, and I just wanted to do something super simple. For this look, I used the Tarte Toasted palette. I have not used this palette in a long time. If you guys don't know what the inside looks like, this is what it looks like. It is a gorgeous palette. I actually really love it. I just haven't used it in a while, and I've been going through my palettes to see like what I haven't used in a really long time so I can film with them. So that's why I'm using the Toasted palette. So if you guys want to see how I got this super simple, like, peachy smoky eye, then keep watching. The first shade I'm dipping into is the shade Warmth, and with this I'm taking this BH fluffy brush and I'm just patting it on the outer V and just really blending it out. This takes a little while because this is just, you're using one shade and just really blending it. It's been one of my favorite techniques lately because it's quick and it's easy. So next I'm taking this like more dome brush from Ulta, going back in with Warmth, patting it on the outer V, then going back in with that BH brush just to really deepen it up because that Ulta brush is a really dense brush. And I kind of just switch between the two brushes and just build up that shade. Like I said, this has been my favorite technique. You just take one, you can honestly take one brush. It just really depends on what you want to do and how deep and intense you want the look. But if you just take like a Morphe M441 and just sweep one color all over your eye, it looks really pretty and light and soft. I can do a tutorial doing that for you guys if you want. Let me know in the comments down below. But this, I wanted to be a little deeper, so that's why I'm switching between that Ulta dense brush and that BH fluffy brush. So here I'm just really blending out Warmth just to get it to where I want it. Next I'm taking this INMO highlighter. It's a peachy one I got in a Yes Oh Yes bag, and I'm just putting this on the lid just to add a little shimmer. And then I'm going to take the shade Fireside and a lip brush from Bayjoy, and I'm just kind of smearing this along the lower lash line. If you're doing a look like this, I feel like adding the like shadow eyeliner really just pulls the look together, makes it look really soft and smoky and pretty, and just, I love how it looks. So I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my face and I'm back. And for lips, I'm using the Fenty Gloss Bomb just because I feel like, you know, just really pull the look together. It's nothing too crazy, nice and soft and simple like I said, and peachy, super wearable, very pretty look. I love doing looks like this, like I said, just smearing an eyeshadow all over the eye. So quick, so easy, so gorgeous. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you would like to see next, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!